Welcome. If you're tired of videos automatically playing while you scroll through Pinterest on your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps to disable autoplay videos on Pinterest, following their most recent update. This will help you save data, reduce distractions, and enjoy a smoother browsing experience. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several options here, but what you're looking for is the Settings button. Go ahead and click on Settings to continue. Now, you'll be taken to your account settings page. Here, you'll notice a variety of options to customize your Pinterest experience. What you want to do next is find the section labeled Social Permissions. Click on Social Permissions to open up more settings. Within the Social Permissions section, you'll see an option labeled Autoplay Videos. By default, this setting is usually turned on, which means videos will start playing automatically as you scroll. To disable this feature, simply click the toggle or checkbox next to Autoplay Videos so that it's turned off. Before you finish, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top right corner of the settings page, and click on it. This ensures that your new preferences are applied. And that's it. You've successfully disabled autoplay videos on Pinterest for your PC. From now on, videos will only play when you choose to click on them, giving you more control over your browsing experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.